Guys, it's getting real. Got the culvert put in yesterday while I'm at work. They've already started clearing some of the edges of the road going back there, and this is fixing to happen. And somebody's texting me. I'm meeting the guy that's clearing the land, and then I'm also meeting the guy hopefully who's going to buy some timber. But you can see the track hoe's already back there. They've started knocking down some of these trees where trucks will be going in and out. And yeah, look at it. Exciting. Ready to go. We still got lots of work to do though. So if you don't know, we sold our house. We got about 20 days left to get out. We're going to be renting hopefully right down the road. If not, then we're going to buy a fifth wheel, move it out here on our property or to a good friend of mine down the road. We got roads to build, land to clear. We're going to do a shop / barn-dominium with about an 800 square foot living quarter. And then we're going to start working on the house. The house plans are still in process, so getting close. Who ain't excited about this? All right, guys, I just got in from work, and the guy clearing the land just left, and this is the halfway point to back here in the back, and it's looking pretty good. We had to take out a few more trees that I wanted to, or we'd never be able to get utilities and the log truck that's going to be coming, and then of course obviously you got to get, you know, your lumber, your materials back here. So anyways, we went a little further open more. I think in the end it'll look beautiful. These trees will grow up and kind of build a canopy, but this was that real bad mud spot that I couldn't get through earlier. So it's real soft, real soft. You end up having to take out a tree I didn't want taken out, but we're going to re-divert the creek. I say creek, it's just where the water runs through here, to be able to save this big tree. So, you know, a young white oak that maybe was about 4 or 5 years old versus a tree that's probably 70 years old. Anyways, this is a big old bog, and so I went ahead and have him clear it out. He stayed pretty much within the boundaries. He got, out of all the trees right through here, he only broke one limb, so I was very happy about that. But we're going to go back here, and we're going to look at what he's got open up so far. He's still got more work to do. We're going to go ahead and get the drone up, do another picture, kind of like later, might do a time lapse, you just never know. But we're going to go on back here. Alright, so we're back here where the house is going to be. The shop will be over there. He hadn't cleared that yet. This is actually where I had done a lot of my burning. So this is the spot basically where I was at when I was doing all the burning before all the trees were gone. So he's going to try to get this thing going tomorrow, but I think we're going to have some rain this weekend. It's probably going to end up being wet, so he's probably not going to get it done. Just looking at things, he's doing a really good job of saving some trees. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark a few more trees while I'm back here, and if he can save them, fine. If not, hey, it is what it is. We've got to open this up. We got to get this ready to start building. So basically a lot of this timber that you're seeing right now will be gone pretty soon. But what I want to do is I'm going to get the drone up, get another picture of this area kind of as we're going. And but yeah, I'm pretty excited. I asked him how things were doing. It's real wet down there where we just crossed. I almost got stuck. The only reason why I could cross it is because he's tracked back and forth so much with the track hoe, but the water's starting to pump up out of the ground every time you cross it. And I asked him about this ridge that we're on, how far along deep was it before he really got into some hard soil. He said it was about 1.5 feet. I asked also if it was doing any kind of pumping, as in was there any water coming up when he would push the trees over. He said none at all. So all the water has been diverting like natural springs and stuff around this ridge, which I pretty much thought it was. And but it's looking real good. Our soil here where I'm at is real, got a lot of iron ore, and so it's a sand clay type mix. Really packs really hard, but also filters pretty good. But anyways, guys, enough jibber jabbing. I want to get the drone up, especially since I've got some pretty good area now. I won't hit a tree. I say that, but it is kind of windy. But I want to get the drone up and get some video. Well, there you go. You see what's going on. We're getting there. Still probably got, I'm gonna say he's probably got a couple more days back there before he actually gets to the pad where I need it completed, and then also where the shop will be. He opened up the front a little more than I wanted to, where the utilities are going to be going, but it is what it is. We can think it'll grow back. They'll be back on it next week, first thing, and I figure by the end of the week they'll be done, logs out of there, and then it's just a matter of cleaning up, and then we'll get the other culvert set and break out the land planer, kind of grade the road out, do a lot more cleanup, a lot more burning, and then we'll evaluate, make sure before he actually leaves how many more trees we need to take out. I'm trying to save my trees, but I know I need to open it up and kind of spread it out. That way there's no trees that fall either on the shop or on the house during these bad windstorms and tornadoes and stuff of that nature. But anyways, guys, that's where we are today, and we're going to keep going after it, and I'm going to try to keep up with these guys. I come home and I record, get some pictures. I have to talk to them about how the progress is working out. But anyways, guys, y'all hit the subscribe button, share it, like it, comment, and keep coming back and watch us build this debt-free homestead. That's the game plan, and we'll see you on the next video.